Okay, we just made it past customs, or clearance, or whatever you want to call it, security. And now we're looking for the flight, D4, A, it's all A's, and D's this way for dick. So we're probably going to go through more checks, which are going to be great. But yeah, we've left it all, we're all done, we're on our way to Sverige. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And it's going to be good. Yeah, look, I'm not going to lie, it's better than any other country we've ever been to. I just hate them. So it's not too bad. So we'll get some more food, pass all the borders we need to pass, and head there. Sweden. Come on, bra. Hey. Right, so we're just leaving Oslo. We're getting on the plane. We're going to Stockholm. I've never been to Stockholm, so I'm excited.
Oh, you've been to the airport?
I've been to the airport a fair few times, but yeah. So I reckon it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
It's cold, very cold. Alright, so let's follow these guys. They know what they're doing. Alright, hey dog. Whoa, it's a nice box. Alright. On the plane. Sarah, are you on the plane?
Yes, I'm on the plane.
We're on the plane. On the plane. Where the plane's been? We have just arrived in Stockholm. We haven't gotten far, and Sarah wants lunch. We can have lunch here if you really want.
Oh no, we don't have to. I got hungry.
Yeah, me, I'm hungry too. Alright, so we're gonna get out of here, get to the central train station, and figure that one out.
Have some lunch.
Have some lunch, some fika. Get out of here. Alright, well, we'll find where we're gonna eat, so let's go.
Hello. Hello.
Oh yeah, and it's 1:45, so time flies when you're having fun. So we've made it down to the subway. We are now...
It's not a subway, it's the fast Airport Express.
Airport Express. We're here though.
Yeah.
It's cold. It's not as cold as Norway, but it's cold.
Oh.
It's not bad, it's really funky looking. See? I think it looks really cool. We are near a vending machine and everything, so it's pretty cool. But, and there's a little bear. Hey bear!
Hey.
So yeah, we're just going to catch the train in. We're going to try and dump our stuff off at the hotel as much as we can, if we can. We're just going to go in and be like, hey. If not, then we take him to lunch.
I might have to call Dad as well.
Why?
The booking is in his name.
Oh, he'll be back. Anyway. And then, yeah, I'm getting hungry now. So
yeah, but it was nice to. Yeah.
I might have some checks. Checks, good lad. Hey dog. We've just gotten on the train. It's doing maximum speed of 107. It's got a little thingy-mobile up there. It's pretty cool. Sarah's having fun. Are you having fun, Bear?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
It's cold out. Not as cold as Oslo, but it's pretty good. It's 1:09 now, and we're just heading into town. It's pretty good. We luckily got the great tickets. We didn't have to wait long at all for the train. We literally rocked up again.
Yeah.
We've had real good luck with trains at the moment. Oh, dude, like nothing at all. But it's been really good. So I'm hoping it just keeps going like that. So yeah, I'm getting really hungry. I think we'll get it. I'm so glad we got that amazing sandwich in Oslo. That was the best sandwich I've ever had in my life. So we're going to, yeah, go in, get some fika, get some food.
Yeah. See if we can check in.
Check in, maybe call Heinzie and be like, hey buddy, you want to tell them that we can book in now, please? I don't know. We'll figure it out.
I'm sure it'll be fine because I have the same last name. Oh look, 161.
161 now. We're doing the same speed that I did on a bike a couple of days ago that I didn't do that speed on. Oops. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm pumped. We get to see the fan base.
174 now.
Jeez, flying.
Fairly fast.
The most efficient way ever in Sweden to get around on a train. Isn't it? Isn't that what they said to me?
The what?
The most efficient way to get to Stockholm? Is it?
Yeah, most efficient and friendly.
I thought Stockholm was right next to the airport.
No.
Ah. Learn something new every day. Oh, my ears.
Tunnel.
Tunnel. Tunnel. Oh, we're out. Oh, it still hurts. Ah. Alright. Well, we're gonna head.
It's like the Oslo one is everywhere.
Hey, door.
Got them. Everything is.
We'll go in there tomorrow and have a look. Alright, so we.
Fuck you, man.
Fuck you. No, we're going there. So we just arrived in Stockholm. We're going into the central station. Trains behind us, all that jazz. Yeah. We're super close to our hotel, so we're just gonna pop in, see what we can see for food, because maybe we could drop the bags off, then come back here for food. Yeah. But we're just gonna rock up and see what we can see. Yeah. It's not too bad. It's quite nice. I enjoy it. Oh, beautiful colours. But yeah, super cool. I'm excited about the train trip on Thursday.
That's our way out.
That's our way out? Right. Yeah. And then there's heaps of cool foods and stuff. Cool. Yeah. Easy peasy. Alright. So, to the hotel. Oh, it's cold out though.
Yeah.
It's quite brisk. You can definitely feel the bite in the air. Oh, the tourists. Alright, hotel, Scandic. You can't miss it. It's gotta be...
It's number 22.
It's number 20. Espresso House. We're saved for a coffee. Okay. Where? Scandic Continental. Oh my god, and where's the fan bam?
Supposedly they are across the road somewhere.
Alright, let's go to ours. We gotta go left. Do you know crossings down there?
Oh yeah, we get across here now.
We'll cross. Alright. So this is Stockholm.
But they meant to be somewhere really close.
So I've only ever been to Stockholm sort of for 3 seconds. No,
in the airport.
In the airport when I got released by the border, whatever it was. Not like I was detained, but you walk through to walk in to walk out. It was really weird. So I've only ever been here for 3 seconds, and now it's not too bad. Huh. I think it's pretty funky.
We made it really easy.
Yeah, we made it really easy. It feels a bit like Copenhagen. Go, 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 go. It feels a bit like Copenhagen, so it's not too bad. I think it's pretty cool. Well, it's big. It's got a big town feeling.
Yeah.
So yeah, pretty cool. You do see more. See more butts. So yeah, we're gonna go and get warm. You know what I would do? You know what I would love to have right now?
No.
A shower.
Oh, of course.
Mate,
but check-in is at 3.
I could always have a shower. I'm always showering. Alright, so we'll go and check.
I thought they would take these things.
There are no windows.
No, I know.
Well, that's...
I told you.
That's creepy.
Where's
you gotta put the card in.
Card here. I told you. That's the only downside because they didn't have any with windows left.
Oh, that's cool. So we're here and we're in a room with no windows, so that's fine.
But I mean, it's a...
That's not scary at all. At least we won't...
I told you that. And you're like, oh, that's odd. And
that's
you
odd.
forgot all about it.
Oh well. Alright. Let's get changed and go see the fan bam. Hey, Doc. So we just got to Scandic. Found our room. Room's awesome. Rushed down to Scandic's restaurant with our vouchers. Eating a buffet, which is awesome. I highly recommend coming to the buffet. And they were so cool with it. They're like, dude, we've only got 10 minutes left, so you can sit for 5 minutes after, but come down, eat as quick as you can.
30 minutes.
Yeah. And when I didn't want to rush them, so I'm like, yeah, okay, cool. And we got a lot of good food. A lot of healthy stuff. I'm glad because we really would have seen like a pizza or a chip shop or something.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, it was much better.
Much better.
We paid almost nothing because we got vouchers when we checked in.
This place is great. I really do like Scandic hotels.
Scandic hotels are good.
Yeah. Highly recommend.
Thanks, Heinz.
Thanks, Heinz. Appreciate it. Right. Hey, Dor.
Hello.
Oh, look, there's choppy water there. Hey Bear, where are we?
Stockholm.
It's cold.
Yep.
What are we doing?
We're looking for your family.
Oh
who's
God,
somewhere.
why? Look at that castle. So Stockholm is really nice.
It's just a nice town.
Pretty cold, but pretty...
At least the sun came out.
Look at that, I want to see what that is. That choppy water is really cool.
Yeah, it's great.
So hopefully within the next couple of minutes, we'll run into Robert, Deebro, Craig, Kim,
And the kids.
and the kids. I highly
take
doubt
Autumn.
it. Yeah, I'll take Autumn. Autumn's mine, but I reckon Dad's on like that bridge or something.
Yeah, probably.
He didn't clearly state where he is, and I'm like, mate.
Where is the map on the phone now?
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
Just track him.
And I'm like, don't go over the bridges. Just stay where you are. Ah, I'd lost my face. Alright, I'm trying to find Faffy. I don't know who this is. Is this me?
I don't know.
That's iPhone. Yeah, that's iPhone. And that's us on the bridge right there.
Okay.
So we still got a couple of... There's sun down there. We've still got a couple of minutes walk. I just hope they're not going the wrong direction.
He's definitely going the wrong direction.
He is definitely...
He always does.
He's definitely going the wrong way.
Doesn't matter. We can
Alright.
walk faster than them.
We can. We're going to head down to the town. I'll be there in a sec. Hey, door.